All right, there's one other type of cosine and sine function that we need to know about these cycles. So the left and right endpoints of a one cycle interval can be determined by solving the equations bx minus c equals 0 and bx minus c equals 2 pi. Well, what does that mean? Let's go ahead and take a look. In this question below, they're asking us to analyze the graph. So, first of all, the one thing that's super easy to see is the amplitude is 1/2. So that's super easy to see. And then I'm going to take this x minus pi over 3, and I'm going to write up here just so you guys can see x minus pi over 3, and I'm going to make that equal to 0, and x minus pi over 3, and I'm going to make that equal to 2 pi. So when I add pi over 3 to each side, I get pi over 3. When I add pi over 3 over here, well, 2 pi is equivalent to 6 pi over 3, and 6 pi over 3 plus pi over 3 is 7 pi over 3. So what this is saying is that it's starting at the interval pi over 3, and it's ending at 7 pi over 3. So we have to break this down into 4 separate sections of the unit circle. So remember, I'm going to write this actually underneath here. We're starting at pi over 3, and we're ending at 7 pi over 3 because we have a shift. So remember that shift is over to the right, pi over 3. So notice my amplitude is 1/2, my period is 2 pi. And notice all these intervals are going to be pi over 3, 0, 5 pi over 3, 1/2, because remember my maximum point will be my amplitude, and my amplitude we noticed was 1/2, so that's where it comes into play. Then we go back to 4 pi over 3 and 0, down that negative 1/2 at 11 pi over 6, and over to 7 pi over 3 and 0. So there's a lot of information to be had here. But because of this interval that we found, we have to split it up into 4 different sections right here. So we want to go ahead and use this interval, split it up into 4 different sections to revolve around that 2 pi.